Hello friends, in this video we see the reactions of citric acid cycle. Krebs cycle properly starts with the condensation of acetyl-CoA and oxaloacetate catalyzed by the enzyme citrate synthase. Aconitase catalyzes the reversible isomerization of citrate and isocitrate with cis-aconitate as an intermediate. Isocitrate dehydrogenase catalyzes the oxidative decarboxylation of isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate to produce first carbon dioxide and NADH in two-step process of isocitrate to oxalosuccinate and then to alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase catalyzes the oxidative decarboxylation of an alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl-CoA, releasing the citric acid cycles second CO2 and NADH. Succinyl-CoA synthetase hydrolyzes the high-energy compound succinyl-CoA with the coupled synthesis of high-energy nucleoside triphosphate and it forms succinate. Succinate dehydrogenase catalyzes the dehydrogenation of succinate to fumarate. Fumarate is converted to malate by the action of enzyme fumarase. Malate is then oxidized to oxaloacetate by the enzyme malate dehydrogenase. The third and final synthesis of NADH occurs at this stage. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you very much.